Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can set up Google Analytics over on your Shopify store. So make sure that do watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so currently you can see I'm logged into my Shopify store right here, and if you want to set up Google Analytics over on your Shopify, so for that you're gonna go to online store, and under online store you have to go to preferences, and now simply scroll down, and here you will find Google Analytics account. And for Google Analytics account we have to require a code. We have to require a Google code, so we need that Google code and we have to paste it over here. So how would you get this code? You're gonna go to analytics.google.com and you have to make an account there, and after that go to admin, and here we have two options, admin and user, and under admin go and click on create a property. After clicking over on create property, now you have to create a property. First you have to give a property name, so I'm going to give it Shopify because it's for Shopify, and then click on show advanced option, and here make sure to create a universal analytics property, otherwise you cannot set up Google Analytics over on Shopify. So you must need to create a universal property. So just check create a universal property, and after that again check over on create a universal analytics property only, and after that you need to require the website URL, which is basically the URL of our Shopify store. So just simply go to Shopify and then go to settings and click on domain, and simply copy your store domain from here. Now paste the domain over here. Alright, so after that click on next. After that you have to select a niche, your business size, and you have to check some options. Anyways, after setting up everything you're gonna go and click on create, and you can see our property has been created, and here you will find a tracking ID. So simply go to property settings, and here you will find tracking ID. So you have to copy this ID from here. So just simply copy this ID from here, and then go to your Shopify store. Again go to preferences, scroll down, and in the Google Analytics account you have to paste this ID here. After pasting this ID, click on save and check. You have to check enhance e-commerce, and again click on save. Once you have done, now you're gonna go and move to Google Analytics, and in Google Analytics you have to just click on admin, and in the right section you will find all website data. So you have to scroll down over there, and here you will find e-commerce settings. So just simply click on that. Now simply enable e-commerce, and then also enable enhance e-commerce, and then click on save. And here we go. So this is basically how you can set up Google Analytics over on Shopify. Now after setting up Google Analytics, now you will get all the websites data straight into your Google Analytics account. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.